Hi, I'm Tricia from Club Scrap, and we're releasing a super fun collection. This is a page kit called Happy Camper. Let's take a look. Well, of course, we're starting out with 2 prints that have a cute little camper car combo on them, and then 2 complementary prints that feature an adorable plaid, and then some pine sprigs over on this edge. And to complement that, a series of 12 coordinating 12 by 12 papers, including this felt finish off-white. We have a seafoam green here, a pretty gold, a manila, another shade of green, and then this darker brown. And my favorite part about a Club Scrap kit would be our 2 sheets of printed cut-aparts. Once you separate all of these elements, you'll have your border strips, sentiments, images from the collection, journaling prompts, your page titles, and more. And then we'll help you finish your pages with things like coordinating ribbon. Check out this sweet little gingham. And we have 3 fun manila tags, this cute little camper woodcut, and a set of 3 adorable coordinating charms. Check out that cute little camper. And you'll never be left out in the cold with our kits. Once your Club Scrap box arrives, simply download and print your instructions, and you can follow along step by step, not only with the printed instructions, but also a workshop video where I will help you complete 8 beautiful 12 by 12 pages with your kit. So let's take a look at those beautiful pages. Right here are layouts 1 and 2. You can see the papers, the cut-aparts, the embellishments already incorporated, plus plenty of room to add your photos. Here I've got that sweet little gingham ribbon incorporated on this side, and then a cute charm added to this photo mat as well. The video is usually about 35 to 40 minutes long, and once completed, all you have to do is adhere the elements to your pages, grab your photos and memories, and you'll get those pages done. This is such a unique approach to scrapbooking, and I know you're gonna love it. Pick up that Happy Camper page kit today, and let's make these pages together.